So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to service fuel injectors, but specifically fuel injectors removed from Peugeot ES9J4S. That's V6 engine in Peugeot 406, 607, 407, and there are quite a number of PSA vehicles with that engine. So I want to talk about how you can service the fuel injectors, which might differ from other models. It's basically the same anyway. This fuel injector is not that easy to service than the EW engine one. So that's why I'm doing this video. So this is what it looks like. You'll find a similar fuel injector on TU5, GAP4, especially the earlier ones, same color and everything. Even ZN3J, that's V6 engine in Peugeot 545 V6. This is almost the same method of flushing or servicing the injectors locally. Is what I'm about to do on this video. So these are the things you need. First, this is a carburetor cleaner. Then I actually did this more like construction, you may call it that way. This is a socket or plug for the fuel injector. So all I did was I cut it off from the wire, just one of the old wires. So then trim this place so I can easily enter the fuel injector. And you must not trim it, or you can actually leave it. If you want, you can do that. And then this, of course, negative and positive. Then the battery, you need a battery to be able to service this fuel injector very well. Without battery, it won't work. What I mean by that, you need to power the fuel injectors to be able to flush. After this preamp is just as I'm servicing them, I'll be keeping the ones I've flushed on this other side. Now, but when I mean servicing, I mean just to flush the injectors, remove all the dust, moisture, whatever that is stored inside, as reduce or is affecting the mixed spray of fuel through the injectors. So let's get started. Maybe keep the camera a little bit here. Let me see if I can position it well. Okay, alright. The first thing you do is connect. Let me see if the camera is getting. Alright, connect this negative here. This is the negative terminal. Connect it on the battery here. The positive, connect it like this. Now you can choose whichever way you want to do that. It must not be with this, but this makes it easier for me. You could buy it off in the market depending how you want. Then now for the carburetor cleaner, you remove the cover, right? And you always see this white part of it. Let me see if the camera is getting. Yeah, it's getting it. So you pull this particular white stuff out. One like the spray. Pull it out for this engine. Only thing you need is this particular part, this white stuff. That's the only thing you need to service the V6 fuel injector. Like I said, for other engines, fuel injectors, probably you might need this red stuff. But for this engine, no, you need only this. I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to service the 6 of them on the camera. I'll just do one so that from there you get the idea how to do it. Okay, let's get started. So this one, I'm going to use this to test or to show you guys how to do it. Then here you plug this thing in. When you actually look at it, you can see it has a small gap inside. That's so I can fit in on this one. You plug it in. So right now the fuel injector is powered. Okay, let me come to this side. So right now it's powered, and hold it like this. I hope the camera is capturing everything because I'm not seeing it from that end. I'll check it out later on. So now let me disconnect it again. First, this fuel injector, this is the bottom, this is the upper part. Now this bottom part is the one that goes into the intake manifold, while this one is we are the one that goes into the fuel rail. So fuel comes in from here, it goes in from here and then comes out from here in a spray or mist form. So what usually happens is, as it's going in from here, you know, depending on the state of your fuel filter or the fuel you are using, like most of the fuel you find in Nigeria are using, almost all the fuel you buy in Nigeria is very useless. So so you find that most times the dirt will go in here and stay stuck somewhere here. So the easiest way to actually remove the dirt is to remove it from here that it goes in from. As you push with pressure from here, fluid or whatever, flush it from here so it comes out from here first. So that's the first thing. Always from here, flush first. Don't flush from here down. So again, plug it in. I don't know if you heard the noise. The injector came on immediately. So remember what I told you guys, this is the only thing you need to do. So when you come here, you can see this four, it has I think 4 openings. That's the 4 nozzles inside here, this metal part, bottom part of it. So you take this white stuff like this, just position it directly under it. Again, look at it. So position it like this, and you push this thing down, push it down, press the injector down on this. Just do it like this, push it down. If you push it down, this thing will go in and then pressurize and pump out the fluid inside this. So look at it, you can see. Do it again. Now it has pushed out some of the stock dirt inside, right? So you put it back again, connect it again, and now you can now flush from the input, the incoming. So with this same mount, you slot it inside like this, and then you press down. Can you see it? You can see this one now goes higher than the other. So as it like this now, it's okay. You service this, trust me, you don't need to go further. It's very, very okay now. So that's how to do that. Of course, I'll do the rest on the remaining 5 injectors, but at least you get the idea now. I think that's all. Probably I'll also do a video on other how to service or flush in fuel injectors on other Peugeot engines, like the EW engines and the rest. So but at least this one is usually difficult for most people to do, but at least you get how to do it now. ES9A, which is a V6 engine in 407. I think that was a mistake I made earlier. The V6 engine in 407, the fuel injector is different from this one. So it's not as easy to service like this. So probably I'll do a different video on that. But this one is for ES9J4S and even ES9J4. Yeah, ES9J4 too. You can also service it like that. I'm not saying it's the same injector, no, but you can also do this, use this method to service it. Likewise, ZN3J, ZN3J, that's V6 engine and 5.5 V6. Then even SU engine too, you can also do the same. So I'll get back to you guys in other videos. All right.